actually from like a bus terminal. What we did was we paid the $4 per person to get on the bus, and we walked from, so this is the terminal right here, the big red and white building. Thanks for tuning in. Cruise vacations can cost in the thousands. I am going to show you how my family of 4 enjoys a 3-day cruise for under $2,000. Stay tuned to the end for the final tally of what we spent and some bonus tips and tricks. Let's jump right in. Now, on our first day aboard the Carnival Radiance, we decided to relax and watch our children while they played in the whirlpool. We ordered 2 Long Island iced teas from the Red Rum Bar, and the total cost for 2 Long Islands was $28.08, and that included the automatic gratuity. There is a trick to getting a cheaper and just as satisfying Long Island from here, which I will share later in the video. Next, we went to dinner in the main dining room, and the girls ordered a pina colada and a strawberry daiquiri, non-alcoholic of course. Dinner was included with our cruise fare, and yes, we did follow our own advice. You can save money by not eating at a specialty restaurant, and in this instance, we did not. But there is another hack that has to do with specialty restaurants I will share with you in a moment. The cost for the drinks at dinner was $8.26 each, which is a total of $16.52. The next day was our day at sea. Here is one of my best money saving tips for eating at specialty restaurants if you're a foodie. Vicky and I wanted to try bonsai sushi. Well, technically she wanted to try it because I've already tried it, right? So this is Carnival's teppanyaki and sushi specialty dining option. Instead of paying the cover fee to enter for dinner, we ate there for lunch while they were open on our fun day at sea. We ordered 2 rolls and a miso soup. The total came to $20.06. Later that evening, my husband and I decided to spend a little grown folks time on the Serenity deck, and we ordered a couple of drinks. Again, I ordered a Long Island. Can you tell that there's a theme here? And my husband ordered a Bloody Mary. With the total with gratuities for those 2 drinks, $25.84. So finally, we've made it to Ensendada. Here is how we saved on getting into the downtown shopping area. And I'm going to let you guys see where we walked from. It's not that big of a walk. It's not that long of a walk. It's actually from like a bus terminal. What we did was we paid the $4 per person to get on the bus, and we walked from, so this is the terminal right here, the big red and white building, and the street we're on is, let me see, Ryerson and Adolfo Lopez Mateos. And this is where it leads you off at. This is the beginning of the shopping area. So the really important thing to remember to save money on a cruise to Ensendada is to take the shuttle boat. The shuttle bus. Once you get off the ship, take the shuttle bus. It's $4 a person. And then when you're on the shuttle bus, they're going to give you a discount where you can get the same excursions that you're getting on the boat for half off. Just wanted to pop in real quick and show you the coupons that are given by the bus company that provides the ride to the shopping center for Ensendada from the port. Now here you can see that they give you discounts for everything from a free Mexican lunch buffet to a discount trip to La Bufadora, which also includes shopping, and a comparable trip through Carnival. Well, let's just say you save a lot of money. Alrighty, back to the video. After spending a couple of hours walking up and down the shopping area and looking at the different goods, we decided it was time to take advantage of the empty ship. Quick tip, leave the ship early. If you're one of the first to be in downtown when it opens, you can negotiate great deals with merchants. Not to mention that when you return, the ship is pretty empty and you can take advantage of all of the facilities a lot quicker. At dinner that night, the girls ordered 2 pina coladas for a grand total of $16.52. Later that evening, we ordered another round of Long Islands, but this time They were from Red Frog Rum Bar's special and cheaper menu. Instead of a regular Long Island, we ordered the Frog's Island iced tea, which is cheaper, and the total cost with gratuities was $27.14. Finally, on the last night, we were a bit dehydrated and ordered 2 Gatorades for a total of $8.26. We waited until the last night of the cruise to purchase the pictures we wanted as souvenirs. Since it was the last night of the cruise, they're trying to get rid of those pictures, we were able to snag a great deal. We bought 1 picture, got 4 wallets free, so we ended up buying 2 with a total of 8 wallets free. So the price for everything is a whopping $291.40. However, that is not what we were billed. See, when we boarded the ship, our port fees and taxes had dropped by almost $20 per person. So we actually had a $70.56 credit on our account. Our adjusted total is $220.84. Since we used 1 credit card to pay for the onboard account, there was a deposit hold of only $100. This is another hack I will get to in another video. So once it was time to settle our account, Carnival subtracted the $100 deposit from our total, and we were left paying $120.84 by credit card. Alrighty then, so here is our total. Cruise fare, water delivery, decorations, $1,079.34. And if you haven't checked out that video, I will link it up here. That's the part 1, and here is the part 2. So spending on board, $220.84. Total spent on cruise, $1,300.18. Honey, I'm good. That's less than $1,500 for a 3-day mini vacation to Mexico. Hello. A lot of you are requesting content on the My Vegas app. Now, in my next video, I will be diving into the app to show what has changed and to try to determine if it is still as good of a discount as it was in prior years. Now, if you do not know what the app is about, or you've never heard of it, then just take a look at this video. Now, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.